how to make Google Docs read aloud to you. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can make Google Docs read aloud to you. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to make your Google Docs read aloud to you, so you have got a text, you want to convert it into a speech. Now you can do this right within Google Docs if you come here to a certain document. Now by default you won't have any such option, but you can simply go to this option called Tools from the navigation menu, and from Tools you can go to the option called Accessibility, as you can see here. Then you can turn on Screen Reader Support and just check this toggle and just hit the OK button. When you do that, you'll find a new option from the menu called Accessibility. Now when you go to Accessibility, you can see Verbalize to Screen Reader, and you can simply select Verbalize all or word count, whatever else it is, and it will read the text aloud for you. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.